Hello, hello, and welcome to This Dot for Week Cooking. I'm your host, Shernette, and today I will be fixing a quick and easy cilantro and rice chicken dish. It is fast. You can use it as a side dish. You can eat it as a main course. But you know, when you're trying to get something quick and fix and be prepared fast and it tastes good, you want to try this dish. It is so good. It's so many things you can do with instant rice. Say you're coming home from work and don't have much time, you're tired, but you want to eat a good meal. You don't have to put in all that time. You can try my recipes. A lot of them are quick, fast, and easy. And you can make this dish also with long grain white rice. But the instant rice gives the flavor and the taste you will not miss. So I'm going to get started. I want you guys to like and subscribe and share. And also hit that notification button so you'll be able to know when I'm putting up new recipes. And today's dish is sponsored by Expressions Jewelry and Accessories. She had some beautiful jewelry. I have on 2 pair of the Swarovski crystal earrings. They are gorgeous. Check out Facebook, Expressions Jewelry and Accessories VIP page. You can go to her website, Expressions Jewelry and Accessories, or you can type in expressionsja.com and it'll take you directly to her site. But you can buy these lovely earrings. Again, I'm gonna let you see. And jewelry, and she also has fabulous purses, accessories. She has gorgeous brand name sunglasses. So check her out. And thanks for sponsoring Expression Jewelry and Accessories. So let's get started. Okay, this quick, fast, easy dish, rice dish, is so good. So good. So you want to get you a pot with a nice top that seals real good. And you're going to need cilantro, 1 lime, saffron, onion powder, white pepper. Let me get that in. Smoked paprika. Gotta get that in. That is not showing good, but smoked paprika, y'all. Garlic, olive oil, sea salt, and did I tell you garlic powder? Garlic powder, you're gonna need 2 packets of sazon, and you're gonna also need 2 packets of the powdered bouillon. And if you don't have the powder, you can use 2 of the solid chicken cubes. And then you need 4 cups of instant rice. Okay, and I want you guys to know that the recipe is in the description down below. So if you need measurements and you want to go to the store and write all this information down so you'll have it, the ingredients are in the description below. So I'm going to get started now. And to this pot of water, boiling water, is 4 cups of water. And to that, I am going to put my onion powder, you see I put it in the top because if you're trying to get it out when this steam is coming from the pot, you can cake your seasoning. And then you want some smoked paprika. Then you want some garlic powder. Some white pepper. in around, see my sazon, got to get a couple of sprigs out. They are so little. And this is around, just like a pinch. Just want a pinch of saffron, not too much. So a pinch of saffron. And to that, you're going to add 2 packs of the sazon. And 2 packs of the powdered chicken bouillon. And then stir that in. Make sure it's dissolved well. You want to do a quick stir. And then to that, you want to add some garlic olive oil. So that's going to come back up to a boil. And now I'm going to taste it, see if it's enough. Because I'm going off of ingredients measurements now. Okay, that is enough. Tastes good. Now, to this pot, you want to add your 4 cups of instant rice. So you're going to pour that in. You can get it all stirred up. Make sure it's coating all of your rice. You want to bring it to a boil. Once your rice is in, it literally takes 5, no more than 10 minutes for this dish to be done. So bring it back up to a boil. Make sure all your rice is covered. All your rice is covered. You see it's starting to come up to a boil. You want it to come up to a nice boil, and then we're going to put the top on and take it off the heat for 5 minutes, no more than 10 minutes. So I would give it 10 minutes just to make sure that the juice is absorbed in that instant rice good. So you see that it's boiling now. It has a good boil to it. Looking good, looking good. Again, thanks for supporting my channel. Please, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share. Tell your friends, because these are some really, really good dishes. And they are my own recipes. So, when I make my Belizean dishes, I add a little twist to it. When I do my Louisiana Southern dishes, I put a little twist to it. And my own. I am a mom, I am a wife, I'm a full-time registered nurse, and an entrepreneur. So, I have to make quick meals, and they have to be good, or I would be eating by myself. Okay, so that came to a good boil. Put that top on it. Turn that fire off. And move off the heat. So that is going to sit for around 5-10 minutes. I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes. And then I will show you the end product. Once it is done, then we will add the cilantro and the lime. Okay, so I let my rice sit for 10 minutes. And to that, I will add my lime. Add your lime juice. I'm gonna use a whole line. Smell of vision. If you guys could only smell this dish. So good. And then to that, I am going to add my fresh cilantro. So you want to take your fork and fluff it. Oh, it smells so good. Fluff that rice. And like I said, you can eat this dish with anything. This is a quick side dish. But it don't have to be a side dish. If you just want your rice dish and want to eat it and have some salad with it, you can do that too. So I'm going to add the rest of my cilantro. Get it all in there. Because that is the flavor. So this is my, when I say quick and good, almost slap your mama recipe, you ain't hear that. Chicken is the instant rice with the chicken flavored bouillon that's in it, and the cilantro. This dish is really good, and like I say, it's quick. You can always make it with long grain rice, but the instant rice, I tell you, is faster. And it tastes the same. It tastes the same. Alrighty. I will plate it for you. But that is my quick and easy rice dish with chicken, bouillon, fresh cilantro, saffron, smoked paprika, my onion and garlic powder. It is delicious. So I will be back to show you the plate. Welcome back. And I have completed this gorgeous dish. This is cilantro lime rice. My addition, my recipe. All of them are my recipes. So I'm going to take a little taste. Good. Very good. And this is a great side dish with any meat that you want to pair it with. It is really, really good. Thanks for joining me today while I cook this lovely, quick and easy rice dish. I hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share. Thank you.